Today we're showing you recipes for 4 different bath soaks. 3 of the baths are detoxifying and 1 is hydrating. To make our Mermaid detox bath, all you'll need is 2 cups of sea salt, 2 cups of bentonite clay, 2 cups of seaweed flakes, and 20 drops of essential oils. This makes enough for 3 to 6 baths. For our coconut milk detox bath, you'll need 2 cups of baking soda, 2 cups of coconut milk powder, 2 cups of bentonite clay, and 20 drops of essential oils. This also is enough for 3 to 6 baths. To make a green tea detox bath, all you'll need is 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 cups of strong green tea made from 4 green tea bags, and 5 to 10 drops of lavender essential oil. This is enough for 1 bath. For our hydrating honey bath, you'll need 1/4 cup of coconut oil or oil of your choice, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of raw honey. Those are just a few of our favorite bath recipes. For the powdered baths, you can add all of the ingredients into a jar and add 1 to 2 cups to your bath. Add your bath ingredients to hot water and soak for 20 to 30 minutes.